Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you want to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue, sign out is not available due to restriction, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to scroll down, and here is the option that is software update. You need to click on it, and guys make sure that you have updated version of iOS. So guys, if you have any kind of update in this tab, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this you need to go back and scroll it down. Here is the option of VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this setting you need to open your settings again, scroll it down. Here is the option of screen time. You need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on content and privacy restrictions. And guys after this make sure that it is turned off. So guys, if it is turned on, then you need to turn off it. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys here you can see here is the option of share across devices. So guys you need to turn off this also. And guys here you need to put passcode of your iPhone. And guys after doing this, here is the option that is change screen time passcode. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to turn off screen time passcode. And guys after turning off you need to go back, and guys now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys now you can see simply you need to click on your Apple ID, and guys now you can see restrictions has been removed from my Apple ID. And guys now you can simply sign out your Apple ID from here. So guys now you can see here you need to put passcode of your Apple ID, and guys now you can easily remove your Apple ID from your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.